Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming Dash Mink V4 is installed and patched. This prevents version-related errors. Once done, open your project workspace and enable debug logging at a half verbosity to capture useful traces. Make sure to back up key config files, config, YAML and user settings, JSON, so you can revert if a change breaks behavior. You'll now prepare the environment variables and verify API keys. Doing this early eliminates mid-process interruptions and speeds up the next steps. You now configure core settings. Edit config. YAML to set endpoints, reasonable timeouts, and 3 retry attempts so transient failures auto-retry. This prevents unnecessary manual restarts. Next, run Mink init with the proper environment and mode flags so the framework provisions required modules. Once initialization completes, validate connectivity by running Mink health check and immediately review the debug logs to confirm services registered correctly. If a component fails, the logs will indicate mismatch. You finish by deploying with Mink deploy using the safe flag to perform a controlled rollout and watch rollout metrics for any spikes. After deployment, run integration tests, start with a smoke suite and API checks to confirm end-to-end behavior. If tests fail or external calls timeout, inspect tokens, scopes, and cores headers immediately. Misconfigured auth and cores are the most common causes. Finally, revert to the backed-up configs if needed. Adjust timeout/retry settings and rerun the health check before full release.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.